Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to talk about adjectives and adverbs. The first part, we are talking about basic use of adjective and adverb. Yang pertama, kita membahas tentang penggunaan adjective dan adverb. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Adjective menjelaskan noun atau pronoun. While an adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Sedangkan adverb menjelaskan verb, adjective, atau adverb yang lain. Let's have a look at the examples of adjective. The first sentence, he is a smart student. Dalam kalimat ini, the adjective smart menjelaskan the noun student. The second example, he is smart. Dalam kalimat ini, the adjective smart menjelaskan the pronoun he. The next one, let's have a look at the examples of adverb. The first sentence, she sings beautifully. Dalam kalimat ini, the adverb beautifully menjelaskan the verb sings. The second sentence, she is beautifully dressed woman. Dalam kalimat ini, the adverb beautifully menjelaskan the adjective dressed, sedangkan the adjective dressed menjelaskan the noun woman. The third sentence, she is truly beautifully dressed woman. Dalam kalimat ini, the adverb truly menjelaskan another adverb beautifully. Kemudian, the adverb beautifully menjelaskan the adjective dressed, sedangkan the adjective dressed menjelaskan the noun woman. Now, we are talking about adjectives and adverbs after verbs. A regular verb is followed by an adverb. Regular verb diikuti oleh adverb, yang mana adverb tersebut menjelaskan verbnya. For example, she walks slowly. Kata slowly sebagai adverb menjelaskan verb walks. While a linking verb is followed by an adjective, the adjective describes the subject. Sedangkan linking verb diikuti oleh adjective, yang mana adjective tersebut menjelaskan subjek. For example, she looks pretty. Dalam kalimat ini, linking verb looks diikuti oleh adjective pretty. Kata pretty sebagai adjective menjelaskan subjek she. Linking verbs antara lain appear, be or to be, become, feel, look, prove, seem, smell, taste. It is possible that a linking verb is followed by an adverb and an adjective. The adverb describes the adjective and the adjective describes the subject. Ada kemungkinan linking verb diikuti oleh adverb dan adjective. For example, he seems unusually nice. Dalam kalimat ini, kata seems sebagai linking verb diikuti oleh adverb unusually, yang mana unusually menjelaskan nice sebagai adjective. Sedangkan adjective nice menjelaskan subjek he. He seems unusually nice. The next part is the position of adjectives and adverbs. A one-word adjective comes before the noun it describes. Adjective terletak sebelum noun yang dijelaskan. For example, the important information is on the first page. Dalam kalimat ini, the adjective important terletak sebelum noun information, the important information. Meanwhile, an adverb can appear in many positions, but it cannot be used between a verb and its object. Adverb dapat terletak di posisi manapun, baik itu di awal kalimat, setelah auxiliary verb, atau di akhir kalimat. Tetapi, adverb tidak dapat diletakkan di antara verb dan objek dari kalimat tersebut. For example, recently he has taken an English course. He has recently taken an English course. He has taken an English course recently. Yang tidak dapat digunakan adalah he has taken recently an English course, karena the adverb recently terletak di antara verb dan objek dari kalimat. The next part, we are talking about li adjectives. Pada umumnya, akhiran li merupakan adverb. Namun, ada beberapa kata yang berakhiran li sebagai adjective. Di antaranya, costly, yearly, friendly, kindly, likely, lively, lonely, manly, daily, hourly, monthly, nightly, quarterly, weekly, yearly, lovely, northerly, easterly, southerly, westerly. For example, the manager turned in his weekly report. Dalam kalimat ini, the adjective weekly menjelaskan noun report. The second example, the likely outcome of the purchase of the costly car is that he will not be able to pay his monthly bills. Dalam kalimat ini, yang pertama, kata likely sebagai adjective menjelaskan the noun outcome. Likely outcome. Yang kedua, the adjective costly menjelaskan the noun car, costly car. Yang ketiga, the adjective monthly menjelaskan the noun bills, monthly bills. Next, we are talking about predicate adjectives. A predicate adjective appears after a linking verb. It cannot appear directly in front of the noun that it describes. Predicate adjective terletak setelah linking verb dan tidak dapat diikuti oleh noun. Predicate adjectives antara lain alike, alive, alone, afraid, asleep. Sedangkan bentuk adjektif yang bisa diletakkan sebelum noun dari predicate adjective tersebut adalah alike menjadi like atau similar. Alive menjadi live atau living. Alone menjadi lone. Afraid menjadi frightened. Asleep menjadi sleeping. For example, the snake on the rock was alive. Kata alive yang merupakan predicate adjective terletak setelah linking verb berupa to be, was alive, dan tidak diikuti oleh noun. The snake on the rock was alive. The second example, the alive snake was lying on the rock. Contoh kedua adalah contoh yang salah karena alive sebagai predicate adjective diikuti oleh noun, snake. Kita bisa merubahnya menjadi the live snake was lying on the rock. The next part is ed and ing adjectives. Kata berakhiran ed dan ing sebagai adjective. Verb forms ending in ed and ing can be used as adjectives. Verb yang berakhiran ed dan ing dapat digunakan sebagai adjective. Untuk kata yang berakhiran ing bermakna aktif, artinya yang melakukan pekerjaan. Seperti contoh, the happily playing children, artinya anak-anak yang bermain dengan riang. Sedangkan kata yang berakhiran id bermakna pasif, yaitu yang dikenai pekerjaan. Contohnya, the frequently played record, artinya rekaman yang sering diputar. Let's have a look at this sentence. I recently received several annoying phone calls from the insurance agent. Dalam kalimat ini, The adjective annoying menjelaskan noun phone calls. Annoying phone calls bermakna aktif, panggilan yang mengganggu. The second sentence, the teacher gave a quiz on the just completed lesson. The adjective completed menjelaskan the noun lesson. Completed lesson. Arti dari completed lesson adalah pelajaran yang telah diselesaikan. Bermakna pasif. Now we will have an exercise. Please find out the incorrect word or phrase in the questions. Question number 1. The wedding reception was held at a restaurant expensive. The answer is D. A restaurant expensive. Karena urutannya terbalik. A restaurant is a noun, expensive is an adjective. Seharusnya adjektif terlebih dahulu, kemudian noun, an expensive restaurant. So, the correct sentence is, the wedding reception was held at an expensive restaurant. Question number 2. It was difficult to believe that what we read in the newspaper was a true story. The answer is D. Truly story. Karena truly adalah adverb, yang lebih tepat menggunakan adjective true, karena setelahnya berupa noun story. True story. So, the correct sentence is, it was difficult to believe that what we read in the newspaper was a true story. Number 3. In spite of a tremendous amount of electronic gadgetry, air traffic control still depends heavily on people. The answer is D. Heavy. Karena heavy adalah adjective, yang lebih tepat menggunakan adverb heavily untuk menjelaskan verb sebelumnya depends. Depends heavily. So, the correct sentence is, in spite of a tremendous amount of electronic gadgetry, air traffic control still depends heavily on people. Number 4. The asleep children were wakened by the loud sound of the crashing thunder. The correct answer is A. Asleep. Karena asleep adalah predicate adjective, sedangkan setelahnya terdapat noun children. Maka, yang lebih tepat menggunakan adjective sleeping, sleeping children. The correct sentence is, the sleeping children were wakened by the loud sound of the crashing thunder. Number 5. Dolphins and chimps are alike in that they have been shown to have language skills. The answer is B. Like. Karena like adalah adjective, yang lebih tepat menggunakan predicate adjective alike. Karena setelah kata alike tidak terdapat noun, dan sebelum kata alike adalah linking verb berupa to be, are alike. The correct sentence is, dolphins and chimps are alike in that they have been shown to have language skills. Number 6. Halley's Comet viewing through a telescope was quite impressive. The correct answer is A. Viewing. Karena viewing adalah adjektif yang bermakna aktif, sedangkan yang lebih tepat untuk kalimat ini adalah adjektif bermakna pasif, viewed. Viewed through a telescope. Dilihat dari teleskop. So, the correct sentence is, Halley's Comet viewed through a telescope was quite impressive. Thank you so much for watching. Semoga video ini bermanfaat.